Are you a trim carpenter looking for the best cordless table saw? You're in the right place. Today, we will explore the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 8 1/4 table saw, which stands out in our 2026 technical audit. In the world of carpentry, the transition to cordless tools is essential. Convenience meets performance. After extensive testing, the Milwaukee saw has proven itself as the clear leader. First, let's understand why this saw is exceptional. The Milwaukee boasts a rack and pinion fence system that ensures amazing accuracy. It stays parallel to the blade, eliminating common pitfalls like fence crawl. With a tolerance of just 0.002 inches, it excels in maintaining precision. Next, let's dive into what makes it tick. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel features a compact 8 1/4 blade. This design helps it require less torque. This directly leads to impressive performance and efficiency, especially in detailed trim work. Now, let's examine the competition. We compared it with the DeWalt 60 volts Flex Volt and Metabo HPT 36 volts table saws. The Milwaukee outperforms these competitors when it comes to runtime efficiency. It can rip an impressive 580 linear feet per charge. This far surpasses the DeWalt, which manages 495 feet, and even the Metabo, which only achieves 420 feet. We need to consider weight too. At 41.6 pounds, the Milwaukee is lighter, making it easier to transport. While the DeWalt is robust, its weight might hinder mobility at job sites. It's essential to highlight user experience in real-world scenarios. The Milwaukee table saw excels in smooth cuts, even in dense hardwood like white oak. This is crucial for achieving high-quality finishes. Technical notes also reveal the Milwaukee's lower peak-to-peak displacement during operation. This means less vibration, translating into cleaner cuts and better overall performance. In summary, for trim carpenters seeking precision and efficiency, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 8 1/4 table saw is the ideal choice for 2026. Its advanced features and robust performance make it stand out from the crowd. Are you ready to upgrade your toolset? Click the link in the description to check out the Milwaukee M18 Fuel now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more carpentry tips and tool reviews.